Are you thinking, man, I missed the boat on real estate deals because the market's just too hot? St. Louis is certainly a hot market, but lots of experts are still saying we have an undervalued housing stock, and several national data companies are even projecting a 3 to 5% appreciation this year. Are good real estate deals getting harder to find? Yes. But it doesn't mean they're not there. You just need to look in different places. Nick here with SSIC, and I'm here to tell you, you have not missed the boat in regards to great real estate deals. I've got a free workshop called Discover Real Estate Investing coming up, where I'm going to be showcasing some of the ways that you can plug into the St. Louis investing market to start making money flipping houses using other people's money. I'm going to be going over real estate investing here in St. Louis, show you several properties and flips as case studies, and show you how you can even profit in this tight competitive market. There are great deals out there. You should be finding them too. I'm going to be going into detail how you can profit from buying and selling houses at this upcoming free Discover Real Estate Investing workshop. Pick a date and location, click that link, and let's talk. We see you there.